Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke Sangma habakali baka jingjiat ke National People's Party bat kajing ibet ban khot penrung seng yau Dr. DRL Nonglait kababun ki bakan tho bat kumba ka pau batang namar ba uan ra ya kamat jong ka ktien ka thliet Conrad uloong bakinu kinuru kila ban pet hala ki rukom kababakla Henreina kaliang ka seng kayo iya kanie kum ka khlip mat jong ka jing snow sarong kum kalat ru na kabenta ka seng ban wanra e ka jing mo jing perkhat haju bar ka jing e lang kum ka kanhun ka batmu sha ka ju ka thong ha ka ju ka por ban pentikna ya ka jing ithu e ka jat ben riu ka jila u Conrad ulo ong ru ba ka jing snow scam ka seng yau Dr. DRL Nonglait ka yu i ka jing treshi tom jong u ban ya dai ka jat ben riu ban kentiu ban IT na kabenta ka jat ben riu bat ka bakong san kalong ba udeiru ubriu badan Burom halor kini baro u Conrad uloong ba u Dr. Nonglait udei u baladon ru ika Kyrdan Pule ka bakham shaneng ha ka bai dei pat ba ka jing sha kan tho ha kiwei ki seng san perthei u menteri Rangba uloong ba kinu ru kila ban kren kat ba ki kwa ki don ru ika hok ban kren henrei ha ka ba khatdu ka shong hi ha ka kti upat ba da ka ba ben rap bana kalyang ka seng kan ya khun bet bat don ya ka jing thmu ban jam shakmat shu uloong baya ki jing e ha ka baya dei bat ka election ka seng ka ya le bet ban antat ban pen biang bat ken sting bat ban pentikna bet ban le ya ka bha shu Conrad uloong ru ba ka seng menta kan lum ya ka jing elang ban rai yanu pat ki ibet ban jet kertong u ban mi khmat na Shillong parliamentary constituency sharaja sabha
Dr. Nonglait, chief of the Kasi Other Society, is anything to do with politicizing the language issue? Because it appears it is a reciprocal that we gave you language, you come to the party.
That's how you look at it. Maybe you think of it in the wrong manner. But for us, we look at it as a moment of pride. We look at this as an opportunity for us bringing our thoughts, bringing our ideology, and bringing our vision together and working together as a team to achieve the same goal and the same purpose that we all are trying to achieve, and to be able to ensure that the identity of the tribes of our state is maintained, and we do whatever we can to protect it and to nurture it. This is what Dr. Nonglait has been doing throughout his life and career to protect that. This is the objective of the government, and we feel that it's a perfect combination and a perfect teamwork to be able to take our concerns, our position and our vision and our fight further, so that we're able to achieve the different goals that we want.
How will you?
Difficult. I've always maintained this from day one, whenever you have asked me any question about any election. So we don't take anything lightly. For us, every single party that is there, which is going to contest, is a formidable force for us. That's how we always prepare, and we will ensure that we will do our best. We work hard so that we can win this coming Lok Sabha by-election.
So Lok Sabha is done. What about Rajya Sabha? So you are the other thing.
Yes. So today it's done. So we will now sit down and decide the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha.
You have seen you got a right person, a right choice, you people to choice. What's the difference between before election but today when the Dr. Nonglait will win?
No, every election is always different, and obviously we fight elections in different situations that are there. And last time it was a general election, and whatever situation we faced, as a political party, it is important for us to adapt, to learn from every situation that unfolds, and that's what we have done. And we have looked at all aspects, and we have come to the decision and conclusion that this is the right way forward. And we are very sure that with all the organizational work and the efforts of the government that has been done in the last many years, with the work that has been done by Dr. Nonglait, the kind of status he has in the Khasi society, and all factors including his qualification, including his work and commitment towards the identity of the Khasi people, and more importantly, is also a person who's very respected in the church. All of these factors are something that we strongly feel, along with the organizational and the work that the government, the NPP-led government has done, we are very sure that we will be moving forward towards a very positive result.
There is a narrative. By the BJP concerning West Bengal and Assam election, saying next is ours, 2028 is ours. How do you respond to that?
No, any party can say anything. That is their desire. There's no problem. Anybody can give any statement. So they're free to give their statements. But at the end of the day, it is the people who will decide. And it is the numbers that decide. We have seen the numbers in the past. And, and every party, as I said, is free to obviously organize. So it's okay. I mean, every other party has a right, democratic right to say what they want. I have no comments.
And also, what went wrong with NDP there in Assam?
Nothing went wrong. What was important to note is that we don't shy away from giving a shot. We have the courage to move forward. In many locations, I remember in Manipur when we first started off, we got 2 people who joined us. And that's how every long journey starts with the first step. I think what is important is to have the courage in spite of all challenges and the difficulties that one may face. I think that's what determines an organization and that's what determines leadership. For us, yes, we had a very difficult phase in Assam, but that doesn't deter us. I think what's important is we have taken the courage and taken the step forward, and more importantly, we will learn from the situation that unfolded and make sure that we improve and become better.